Today, we invite you to join us on an immersive journey through the captivating city of Venice, renowned for its romantic waterways, magnificent architecture, and rich history. Let's unravel the secrets and wonders of this unique Italian gem. As we navigate the intricate network of over 150 interconnected canals, it's evident that they form the lifeblood of this remarkable city. These waterways, serving as the primary mode of transportation, lend Venice a unique and enchanting charm found nowhere else in the world. Our exploration leads us to the majestic Grand Canal, the main thoroughfare that winds through the heart of Venice. Along its banks stand exquisite palaces, each a testament to the city's opulent past. The amalgamation of Venetian Gothic and Renaissance architecture adorning these historic landmarks narrates the grandeur of a bygone era. No visit to Venice is complete without experiencing the allure of St. Mark's Square. Here, the imposing St. Mark's Basilica stands as a beacon of Venice's rich cultural heritage. Its intricate design, adorned with mesmerizing mosaics and Byzantine influences, reflects the city's historical significance as a thriving hub of trade and culture. Venice not only bewitches the eyes, but also tantalizes the taste buds with its culinary offerings. From sumptuous seafood risottos to tantalizing cicchetti, the city presents an array of delectable local delights. Indulge in the savory flavors of the Venetian classic risotto al nero di seppia, a creamy delicacy prepared with the ink of squid that captures the essence of the city's gastronomic prowess. Immersed in vibrant traditions and cultural festivals, Venice comes alive during the celebrated carnival, where lively masks, elaborate costumes, and spirited festivities captivate visitors from across the globe. Feel the pulse of the city as it radiates an infectious sense of joy and merriment during this annual extravaganza. Moving forward, our exploration takes us to the iconic Rialto Bridge, pulsating with the vibrant energy of historical markets that have been the lifeblood of Venice's commercial activity for centuries. Engage with the bustling markets, brimming with local crafts, fresh produce, and a delightful assortment of Venetian specialties, offering a glimpse into the city's rich trading history and cultural vibrancy. Transitioning to the gondolas, we dive into the romantic tradition and skilled craftsmanship of the gondoliers, whose graceful navigation through Venice's waterways embodies the essence of the city's enchanting spirit. Unveil the stories and customs passed down through generations, encapsulating the timeless allure of this magical city. Embarking on the Venetian lagoon, we encounter the enchanting Murano Island, renowned for its intricate glass-making artistry. Witness the mesmerizing craftsmanship and vibrant glass creations that have contributed to Venice's rich artistic legacy, adding another layer to the city's cultural tapestry. Our journey continues with an exploration of the regal Doge's palace, an epitome of Venetian political power and opulence. Unravel the history of the Doges, the illustrious rulers of the Venetian Republic, and their enduring legacies engraved within the walls of this magnificent structure, offering insights into the city's political history and intrigue. Immersing ourselves in the artistry of Venetian mask-making, we delve into the centuries-old tradition that has adorned the faces of Venetians during celebrations and masquerades. Discover the intricate techniques and cultural significance behind these elaborate masks, reflecting the city's vibrant artistic spirit and creative finesse. As the golden hues of the sunset paint a mesmerizing panorama over the serene waters of Venice, we bid adieu to this enchanting city. With its labyrinthine canals and a rich cultural legacy, Venice transcends time, captivating the hearts of all who visit. Join us in our next venture as we uncover more wonders from around the world. Until then, ciao!